Hey, okay, so I am in Pahang, Malaysia, and getting ready for a camping trip. So I need to go pack my stuff from my backpack to this 45-liter backpack that Saley let me borrow. And I got my clothes here, tent, and my food stuff, my raincoat from Laos, and then I'm good. Oh, okay. Hello, I'm Peter. Trip, nice to meet you. So this is going to be my second camping trip in 20 years where the gear is not provided. I had to borrow from Saley. Thank you, Saley. Thank you. Okay, so packed and ready to go. Here's my bag with a tent, and we're waiting for one more member. It's gonna be epic. So the place we're going to in Pahang is very remote, and because it's very remote, we had to rent a 4-wheel drive to get there. So this baby is going to be taking us to the waterfall. Yeah, look at this. So the place we're going to, we're in Pahang by the way. The place we're going to is a special waterfall, and we need to rent a 4-wheel drive Jeep to get there. We got a Land Cruiser 2 to get us there. This waterfall, this special waterfall, I don't know the name, but I will get some more information on it soon. And all our bags right here. Okay, made it to the campsite. This is our campsite. Just finished our bumpy 30-minute trek, and now we're unloading the gear. We got to pick up the other group of 4, or he is. And okay, so we are finished and now about to go to our camping site. I thought this was our camping site, but this is the camping site for people who don't want to go further into the jungle, but we're gonna walk about an hour or so. I think it's maybe a kilometer to the waterfall. We're going to Jerangkang Waterfall, so I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so on the way to the campsite, and it's about an hour hike. Got my 14-kilo backpack, and meet you guys there. Not bad so far, it's okay. Huh? First pool. Ah, it looked like there's a pool down there. So it's been about an hour and we're about, I don't know, 250, 300 meters up, and then we got an hour left. But oh, I dropped. Is that mine? Oh, I didn't even see that. I dropped my raincoat, but Haley picked it up. Thank you.
Sorry.
Huh? Oh. No, because I'm drinking it. So, I think there's another campsite, and yo, look at this waterfall. Beautiful. Okay, so city boy does not know how to set a tent, so Saley's helping me. Huh? Nice. Oh, okay. Now it's looking like a tent. Oh, you want me to hold the other side? Okay. Okay, so I've done this before. I remember this a long time ago. You have to make an X. I remember making the X. Make sure like you have these pointed ends, they stick to the ground. What are these hooks for? These hooks. Alright, so I'm done unpacking. Have to go swimming in this waterfall. Woo! Oh my god, this water is cold! It's cold! climbing up. Okay, so this is the last campsite, right? So the only way to get up to the top of this waterfall is through these ropes. So I feel like I'm probably almost there. All right, let's see you at the top. So I made it to the top. I can already see this bunch of little waterfalls. Come with me. Whoa. Whoa, another pool. Beautiful up here. You can't even see the other people. So there's 1, 2, 3, and I'm pretty sure everyone, we're down there after the third waterfall, and then the fourth one, and then the fifth, sixth. There's a lot of waterfalls here. It's beautiful. Alright, so the rest of the group is here. The rest of the group is here, and they are going to go to the top, and I guess I'll go with them again. But I don't know, maybe I'll just stay down here. I'm pretty tired. It's not an easy, it's not easy up there. Decided to go up, but I decided not to. I already went again, so let's explore. Well, I decided to explore more around the area, and let's see if we can get some good sights. I think I found a good place here. Let's check it out. Look at this view. Fucking beautiful. Waterfall after waterfall. This place has a lot of waterfalls. And it's so beautiful. So I've been laying here for a while on this rock, really flat. It's actually not that bad, and gotta show you guys the view. It's just amazing. It's just so great. The jungle here. Very nice. So this is how you wash your dishes in the nature.
No, we got an extra helper.
Oh, we have soap this time, okay. Because you told me yesterday.
That was for beginner class. Today is the advanced class.
Today is advanced class. So what it is we have sand here, and you just use this like you're scraping the pan with like a pad or something. So what? Oh yes, thank you. And yeah, so they're using soap, but yesterday we were just using the sand, and just put it inside the bowl and kind of swish it around. So here's my tent all set up. Can't really see it. Well, let's look at it. This is the fly sheet. It's supposed to keep me safe from rain. So everyone's got a fly sheet. The king of the mountain, the king of the north. Everyone's cooking dinner right now. What is this, Alvin?
Rice.
Is it Alvin or Alwin?
Alvin.
Alvin. Oh, rice. Oh, okay. I thought it was maybe a soup or something. This is the open tent. Meaning, it's not really a tent, it's just sleeping out in the open. With the fly sheet to protect from the rain. There's a lot more other people here, but we got here first, so we got the best place. Right in front of our wonderful waterfall here. Let's see what these guys over here are cooking up. Oh, it's already finished. You got canned food.
Yeah.
The easiest of all meals.
No, it's not easy. It took me about one week to prepare.
What?
1 week to prepare, 1 week to prepare this. 1 week, 1 hour to do this. Yes.
I don't know. I think you could have put your time somewhere else.
It's the best rice I've ever had.
Got Trip starting the fire. Fire starter. So I learned something new. Start with the small sticks first, and then the big logs.
And oxygen.
Okay, we got mackerel, rice, more mackerel.
No, this is salted chicken.
Oh, salted chicken.
Yeah. Impokai in Cantonese.
Impokai. What is this?
This is rendam ayam Malaysian style.
Okay, I know that. And then we have broccoli. Nice. Nice. It is a. It's wow, guys.
And we're gonna have like hot water for coffee next.
Wow.
Okay.
Good morning. So we're all up. I'm wearing my raincoat because it's damn cold, but waking up to this beautiful waterfall, nothing beats that. But it was pretty cold last night sleeping. I wish I used this as a blanket. But anyways, we're gonna be fixing breakfast, so let's see what we can eat.
What do you know?
Yeah, I will. Okay. So we're having breakfast.
You want to take picture or you want to sit down?
Yes. Looks like my potatoes that I sliced and diced. Noodles. Oh, and my scrambled eggs. My eggs, I googled this. If you want to bring eggs, put them in a water bottle. Huh? Look at this view! Look at this view. Beautiful. We got Alvin, Trip, sailing. Trip's wife, I don't know if you can see her, Rena, but we're enjoying the view here. Beautiful view.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, he wants to take a photo.
Oh, wait. Our uncle here enjoying the massage. How's the massage? Your pants are falling off. So we're leaving now, slowly packing up. Trip is actually the first of us to start packing. I still need to pack up my tent. My trash bag is full of ants. I'm not looking forward to As you see, campsite has been cleaned up. We're all packed. Heading back home. It looks like it might rain, so leaving a little bit early. Backpack on. Okay, so our truck has come. Now back to 30 minutes back to civilization, but we are on our way home. What an amazing trip. Very good. Trusty four-wheel driver. So here we got durian trees and palm oil trees. So we've been driving back and found a durian tree, which I didn't even know durian grew on trees. I thought it was like, oh, here it is.
You must be kidding.
This is, hey, there's one durian here. You gonna eat this? Oh, the durian fell and they want to eat it. Smells good. He says it smells good. For me, it smells terrible.
You try to touch it.
No, I know it's not.
Because it's fresh. This is real spiky. This one smells better than.
God, terrible.
It's like rotten cheese.
It's like, yeah, it smells like rotten gym shorts and rotten socks I've been sitting in my.
You want to taste the one?
No, I'm not eating this. It's right beside, what is this, a coconut tree?
Oh yeah, coconut tree.
Uh.
You can see coconut, right?
Oh yeah.
这比较香，这个米香是刚刚 fresh 的那个，
Big one.
很尖的，它久了几天就
The shape is it? The shape is very nice shape, you know.
刚刚变。Once you hold it, then you can know this is really fresh because it's really
Spiky?
spiky and pink. Once you leave it for a few days,
Ow! Shit, man!
yes, this is real.
God, that hurts!
Very sharp, huh?
Yeah, very sharp. How are you holding that?
Just leave it. And it means it's
That's
fresh.
painful.
Really fresh.
It felt like 10,000 needles just immediately into my hand.
The heavier one.
It felt like I got unwanted acupuncture. It was very painful. Wow. So we stopped by a durian farm, or durian market stand. And Malaysians love this fruit. I don't know why they like it so much. But they sell it on the side of the street here like this. And people come in and they buy the durian. This is what it looks like. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling. It smells terrible. But these durians are a lot smaller than what I've seen before. Actually, I've seen durian is a lot bigger. It's more smaller size. And it smells like a. It really smells like old gym socks to me.
Ini saya tukar ini boleh ah?
See, he has to wear gloves to carry it because they're so spiky.
I mean, really, these things can be used as weapons, I think. You could just throw it somewhere and it gets stuck in their head or something like that. She bought a lot of things. Look at all that jewelry she's buying. My favorite fruit. Very good. Oh my god! Look at all this mangosteen! This is my favorite fruit. It's very sweet. It's like very sweet. It's like the shell, and you open it up, and it's really soft. It's really soft. Very sweet. Very, very delicious. Actually, very good. Amazing fruit. So mangosteen. So you open it up like this. Inside, you sweet white, snowy white heaven. Amazing. It tastes. This is the most delicious fruit in the world. And then you have the smelly, stinky gym socks fruit that I don't know why they're eating.
Yeah, you need to combine both of them.
I have it here. Okay. So it's open like this. Usually I just put it in my mouth like this. Oh, that's good. I spit out the seed and I buy a kilo. This is what durian looks like inside. It's like white inside with a yellowish color. It tastes terrible. I can't eat it. But yeah, they like it. I tried to eat durian. I tried to like it, but I can't. I tried durian ice cream, durian puffs, durian chips, durian everything. I tried, but I just can't eat it. So we're here, back where the truck is. We have finished our trip, finished this amazing adventure to a beautiful waterfall. No, it wasn't a waterfall. It was many waterfalls, actually. 1 day, 2 day trip. Got some fresh souvenirs. I can't wait. Everyone,